by now jumped on the avocado bandwagon. We know they're charged with all kinds of health benefits: fat, the good kind, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, superpowers. The avocado is so great, in fact, Charles in Charge sang its praises in a 30-second spot during the Super Bowl. Super actor, Super Bowl, superfood. Bam! But, what if I told you most of the superpowers in an avocado are in that pit you are throwing in your trash can? Here are 7 reasons to stop throwing your avocado pits in the trash. 1. Eat the pit for amazing health benefits. 70% of the total antioxidant capacity of the avocado lies within the seed. This packs a powerful punch and leads to some pretty big health benefits, including reducing inflammation and joint pain, optimizing digestive health, destroying cancer cells, and glowing skin. 2. Grow a tree. I can grow my own avocados? Yes you can. Step-by-step instructions make this a fun activity for adults and kids. 3. Make tea. Make pit tea for a sore belly by cutting the seed in half and steeping in hot water for 10 minutes. Or, seeds can be roasted, grated, and then made into tea, which some say is great for asthma too. 4. Natural dye. Create beautiful pink fabric with a natural dye created by avocado seeds and skins. 5. Soothe an aching tooth. Avocado pits can even cure a toothache. Toast avocado seeds and blend them to make a powder. Apply it to the painful tooth and cover with cotton. Or, try cutting off a piece of the raw seed and apply it directly to the tooth. 6. DIY face scrub. A ground pit can be used to soothe dry, itchy skin too. Get your glow back with this all-natural face and body scrub. 7. Home decor. Get your craft on, and use your imagination. Seeds can be used to make ornaments, decorative balls, and even wind chimes.